first. Okay, ready, set, go. Go read your book, anak. Please. The Bible. You know, some of the kids, Julene, when they grow up, they said, "Oh, I'm so glad my parents disciplined me, and they're very strict." They were so thankful. Juliana, come on now. I'm not going now. We don't have friends anymore. You're in a high, guys. You're done now. No more high, guys. We're not going to horseback riding. Did you do horseback riding? I'm just freaking asking. Okay. Too many justifications. Read your book. Read your book until I say so. Okay, you can have three games in your Roblox. 3 pages, 3 games. I need to time that out. Right? Nice. Again, 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 again. Good job. No, she did by herself. Okay, come on. Okay, I'll take it now with daddy. Come on now. Jilana, no more. You're trying to no more. I okay. No toy this weekend. Okay, I'll do now. Do now. I can hear it. I'm going now. Going to Juno. Wow. I'm going to Juno now. I'm not bringing candy, okay? Oh, daddy's coming now. La. Oh, daddy can just put away all those toys and send it to the Philippines. Okay, I put it away. Okay, do it now. Okay. Sing now. Okay. Baba. Black sheep. Dad, can you sing? Oh, wow. That's a good idea. Only mommy? Only mommy sing? I put it here so you don't have to turn it around. There you go. Nice. Good job. Do your drumming now. You want daddy drum? Dad, can you drum? Where's your thingy? Okay, here you go. Give it to dad, anak. Oh, okay. Yeah, louder, okay? So, yep. Okay. Tell